What is beautiful is that his character Bhanu and Mimi, you can't define their relationship. जब मैं ये फिल्म शूट कर चुकी थी तो मैं दीनू से यही बात करी थी कि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कट अ ट्रेलर फॉर दिस. ये पंकज सर का डायलॉग है लेकिन मैं मार रही हूँ. ये बूंद है, अभी समुद्र बाकी है. रहमान सर ने तो ऑब्वियसली चार चांद लगा दिए. इट इज माई आई थिंक माई ऑनर दैट ही इज गिवन म्यूजिक फॉर दिस फिल्म. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin and you're watching Bollywood Hungama with Faridoon. Keep on watching and do subscribe.
Kriti, we've taken a few comments from the YouTube link of Mimi, trailer link, and let's see what people are saying. This is Aarti Maheshwari. Krits, how to describe that you are just perfect in this one? I feel proud that you are my idol. You are so talented, naturally hardworking. I love you. This movie is going to be the best. Mimi is winning our hearts, so emotional, so much fun, and everything I found in one movie. Aarti Maheshwari.
Much, Aarti. Thank you so much. This is such a sweet message. And like you saw, it automatically put a smile on my face coming from the serious subject that we were just talking about. I hope I make you proud since you do look up to me, which is a big responsibility. So I hope I make you proud. And it is a very special film. It's a piece of my heart. So I hope you give it as much love as I have done, because I've been obsessed about it.
I totally understand that, because even last time when we spoke last year and you were...
Yeah, we spoke about some of the fans telling me to not lose the weight that I had gained. If you
yes, you're looking good in that.
They had started calling me Chubby Sanin, which was, I think, the cutest name. I think I really liked that name that they had given me, and they started writing it on Instagram, which was, yeah. So that's me.
Ankit Shah looks like a perfect mixture of comedy and emotion. Pankaj Ji, wow, Kriti Sanin looks too promising. Now, Pankaj Tripathi has played your father. Now he's playing someone whom you can slap as well. So I think that's what an actor is all about.
Yeah, I think firstly Pankaj जी मुझे लगता है मेरे साथ पैकेज में आने चाहिए. पर मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि वो बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ पैकेज में आते हैं. So he's a bit of my lucky charm. He's also there in Bachchan Pandey. There's another different equation, but I think our father-daughter relationship in Bareilly was really, really appreciated, and it was a special one because it was so liberal. It was something that I think every daughter would want a father like him. Then Luka Chupi, kuch relation tha nahi, he was checking me out in Luka Chupi. So in one scene, and that was it. Here, I think what is beautiful is that his character Bhanu and Mimi, you can't define their relationship. You can't categorize it. You can't name it. You can't say कि ये बहन भाई हैं. You can't say कि ये दोस्त हैं. You can't say कि इनमें प्यार है या कोई रोमांटिक एंगल है या किसी एक की दूसरे की तरफ अट्रैक्शन है. कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. It is just, I think, the most purest human equation. And it kind of has a curve, because in the beginning, they both are extremely selfish. They want money and that's it. And that's how they get into this whole facade. And he is manipulative. She is, like you saw, I slapped him. And that was our equation in the beginning. And how slowly it kind of changes to him when they leave, to him actually having a human side and like caring about each other eventually. So I think it's a beautiful equation. I think it's nice कि कोई tag नहीं दे सकते इस रिश्ते को. I don't think ऐसा equation मुझे वापस कभी मिलेगा किसी फिल्म में. Usually हम कुछ ना कुछ दिखा देते हैं. But it was beautiful, and I think it's amazing working with him also. There is a scene in this film where after the Farhan couple leaves, and my family is asking me, "Kaun hai? Kisse shaadi ki hai?" And I say, "Ye hai," and he's stuck. So there's a scene after that where he enters the room and he says, "Kya kiya Mimi ji, aapne mujhe phasa diya yahan par." And I am furious at him because phasaya unhone mujhe is sab chakkar mein. And I had to throw things on him. I had to throw bottle and things on him and really throw it, like I'm trying to beat him. And I think वो मेरी पहली मूवी होती है अगर उनके साथ, तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाती. मतलब मुझे इतना लग रहा था कि सर मैं कैसे आपको मारूं, you know, how can I throw a bottle, what if it hurts you? So he was like, देखो आप मारो, क्योंकि अगर आप हल्का फेंकोगे ना तो वो दिखेगा, तो चेहरा बचा के किधर भी मार लो. So in that scene there's actually anger, so we have like so many beautiful colors and shades in the relationship, and sensitive also, because there was a point where there's a beautiful shot where, you know, Mimi is crying and Bhanu, so likha hua tha ki Mimi hugs Bhanu and cries, and we both were like, you know, how much to touch, how much कि वो हल्का सा भी गलत डायरेक्शन नहीं दिख सकता है, वो हल्का सा भी रोमांटिक नहीं दिख सकता है, तो कितना करना है और कितना नहीं करना है. And eventually we ended up like, you know, he was standing and I'm sitting and I'm just leaning my head and he kept a little hand on my head, and that was it, and that was beautiful. So I think it was a very, very sensitive area, gray area, where we didn't know what to do and we had to be like precise.
No, absolutely. This is Himanshu, Kriti के पापा. लड़का तो बहुत गोरा है. पंकज त्रिपाठी पापा पे गया है.
Yeah, that baby at the end. Yeah, that baby at the end. Of course वो गोरा ही है. वो तो अभी ऑडियंस को भी पता है कि क्यों गोरा है, बस मेरे घर वालों को नहीं पता है कि क्यों गोरा है. So उसकी भी एक्चुअली बाद में बहुत कहानी है फिल्म के अंदर. It turns into a lot of comedy. So that's the beauty, I feel, of this film, and that's the beauty of Lakshman sir, honestly. You know, that he makes you laugh and then he suddenly makes you cry, and like you're just wiping your tear and he makes you laugh again. So that's what he does. I think he's amazing.
Okay, this is Pallavi Sarangdhar. Everyone, whole story revealed in a trailer. Me, उसको 20 लाख मिले या नहीं देखना ही होगा यार. So what you have to say is this, that a lot of story has been revealed in the trailer.
I mean, guys, honestly speaking, okay, ये पंकज सर का डायलॉग है लेकिन मैं मार रही हूँ. ये बूंद है, अभी समुद्र बाकी है. ये उनका डायलॉग है. ऑनेस्टली बहुत कुछ है इस फिल्म के अंदर, ये कुछ भी नहीं दिखाया है अभी. I mean, इतना कुछ होता है, which is why I'm saying it's nothing like you're expecting, honestly. And अगर आपको ये जो है इसमें लग रहा है कि आपको स्टोरी समझ में आ गई, तो प्लीज जाके फिल्म देखो, क्योंकि इतना कुछ है फिल्म के अंदर एंड इतने सारे ऐसे सीन्स, और आगे कहानी कहाँ जाती है वो एक अलग मोड है. इनफैक्ट जब मैं ये फिल्म शूट कर चुकी थी तो मैं दीनों से यही बात कर रही थी कि, you know, it's very difficult to cut a trailer for this because there's so much in the film. How much will you show and how much will you keep? So what he's kept actually is a lot right now. बहुत बचा है.
Okay, this is Pari Leo. Trailer was going super hit, and then suddenly heard A.R. Rahman's voice. It became blockbuster for me.
वो तो है ही. I mean, रहमान सर ने तो obviously चार चांद लगा दिए. It is I think my honor that he's given music for this film, and for the first time for me, and everyone is a huge fan of A.R. Rahman sir, and I always felt this film had its heart in the right place, but Rahman sir gave it soul. I feel music जो है उससे scene better हो सकता है, scene खराब हो सकता है, सब कुछ हो सकता है. हम सबकी performances बहुत ज़्यादा और अच्छी लग रही हैं उनकी music की वजह से. So I just feel that he has done magical work in the film. There is a song Param Sundari, which is a little bit, you can hear it in the trailer also, which is going to be out first. I think on Friday, I'm not sure, but that song, I think रहमान सर ने एक डांस नंबर मुझे लगता है बहुत टाइम बाद किया है, एंड बहुत टाइम बाद ऑडियंसेस को एक
I noticed that
डांस नंबर मिलेगा from रहमान sir, which is I think happening after a very long time. I mean, he's given amazing numbers like Chaiya Chaiya and Hamma and all of those numbers, but it's been a while. So Param Sundari, I hope, is something that you really, really love. And there's one more song, Rehai, which is again in the trailer, when, you know, they run away, and रहमान sir की जो voice है उन्होंने खुद गाया है. And that's also one of my favorite tracks. That is, it's beautiful, and I think the word Rehai is exactly what Mimi is feeling at that point.
Right. So immediately after this interview, I'm supposed to do an interview with Rahman sir. So I'll tell him that Kriti is saying that you've given you're the soul of Mimi. So I'll tell him this for sure. Okay. This is something that we've already discussed, but let's take the comment itself. Mohammad Maroof. If they're confident enough to reveal this much in the trailer, I'm sure there will be so much more in the movie. So let's all stop complaining and enjoy the trailer for a bit. Fingers crossed for the movie.
Thank you for understanding. This person is very intelligent. Hi guys, I'm Kriti Sanin and you're watching Bollywood Hungama with Faridun. Keep on watching and do subscribe.